In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily join Telegram group. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Telegram app, and then if you want to join to a public Telegram group, all you have to do is just swipe down to show up that search box, and then you can just search for some group by its name. After that, you can get into that group and join it. If you want to join private Telegram group, you need someone to send you the invitation link to that group. Once you got the link, all you have to do is just tap on it. That will move you to the group, and then to join it, tap at Join Group. That's how you can easily join Telegram group.